Welcome to AI ConvoCast, where we bring you the latest in AI and tech innovation. Quick housekeeping. Check out the affiliate links in our description. Using them supports the show, and please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Let's jump right in.
All right, so you know why you're here, right? You're here because you're just like us, I think.
Yeah.
You want to kind of get the smart take on things, and you want to get it quickly.
Efficiently. Yeah.
You're efficient. So
Yeah.
you're the learner, as we like to think of you, and you really want to get a handle on what's going on in finance today without, getting bogged down in all the crazy jargon.
Yeah.
And all the details, right?
Right.
Well, you've come to the right place.
That's right.
We're gonna take you there.
Today, we're diving deep into a really fascinating and rapidly evolving area. We're talking about AI-powered platforms for trading stocks and cryptocurrencies in 2025.
Yeah, this is hot stuff.
Yeah. We've gone through and we've processed a huge amount of information for this deep dive.
Yeah.
Everything from in-depth reports, to just quick little social media takes,
Sure.
just to extract, the essential knowledge about how these platforms work, and more importantly, how they could fit into your investment thinking.
Yeah, that's the key, right?
Yeah, exactly.
At the end of the day.
Yeah, so really our goal today is straightforward.
Yeah.
We want to give you, our listeners, a clear understanding of how AI might offer a genuine edge in the often complex worlds of stock and crypto trading.
Yeah, sometimes it can feel a little overwhelming, right?
Oh, absolutely.
With all this information out there.
Yeah.
And these markets move so fast.
Right.
So let's unpack this a little bit. What are AI trading platforms?
So at their core, AI trading platforms leverage artificial intelligence to automate aspects of trading and to just enhance your decision-making when it comes to investments.
Okay.
So instead of relying solely on human analysis and manual trade execution,
Right.
these platforms utilize sophisticated algorithms and machine learning,
Okay.
and they're designed to analyze enormous quantities of data, way more than any individual could possibly process,
Oh, yeah.
and then to identify patterns and potential trading opportunities.
Got it.
And then to execute trades automatically based on preset strategies.
So it's almost like having a tireless, superpowered analyst that can also act
Exactly.
on its findings, right?
Precisely, yeah. And the advantages of this are huge. I mean, just think about the sheer volume of information that's available in the financial markets.
Oh, my gosh.
Right.
It's mind-blowing.
AI can process this data at incredible speed.
Yeah.
What our sources often refer to as lightning fast, too.
Yeah, I've seen that.
And this allows you, the learner, to potentially capitalize on fleeting market inefficiencies that a human trader might miss.
Right.
It's essentially acting on information before it becomes widely disseminated.
Right, because we only have so much bandwidth
Right, exactly.
to be able to take in all that information ourselves and sift through the news and financial reports and
Yeah, you can only read so fast.
and social media and all that stuff. So
Exactly.
So that's a huge advantage. What other key strengths do these AI platforms have?
One of the biggest ones is that they completely eliminate the influence of emotion
Ooh, that's a big one.
from trading decisions.
Yeah. Right. Fear and greed.
Yeah, we all know how fear and greed can lead to impulsive actions and ultimately bad trading outcomes.
Yeah.
So AI operates based on logic and predefined rules.
Right.
So it's completely unaffected by these emotional biases.
Yeah, you take all that out of the equation.
Yeah,
It's purely logical.
exactly. And also, these platforms can operate continuously.
Right.
24/7, 7 days a week, maintaining a consistent approach and adapting quickly to market changes as they occur, too.
Right, especially in markets like crypto that literally never close.
Right. Exactly.
So let's move on to some specific platforms now.
Mm-hmm.
What are some of the key AI-powered platforms that are out there for stock trading?
All right, well, so there are several that really stand out. Trade Ideas is a big one.
Okay.
They're known for their AI system called Holly.
I've heard of Holly.
Yeah. So Holly basically continuously scans the stock market,
Okay.
looking for potential trading opportunities based on a variety of indicators,
Okay.
and then provides users with real-time alerts.
Got it.
And importantly, the platform allows for what's called backtesting,
Mm-hmm.
which basically means you can test Holly's strategies against historical data to see how they might have performed.
Right. So you can go back and see how it would done if you were using it.
Exactly. Yeah. So it's all about, not just taking their word for it, but actually seeing how it would work.
Testing it out.
Yeah. And they also offer a simulated trading environment so you can get comfortable with the platform without actually risking real money 6, 8.
Right. That's a good way to start. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you mentioned backtesting. That seems like a really crucial step in evaluating any trading strategy, really.
Oh, yeah.
What kind of data access does Trade Ideas provide?
They offer access to a ton of data,
Okay.
over 500 different data points,
Wow.
along with customizable scans and screeners that allow you to filter the market based on your specific criteria.
Okay.
And they provide flexible charting tools as well, 7, 9.
So it's very customizable. Then.
Very customizable, yeah.
Okay, so Holly sounds like a really powerful tool for identifying opportunities. What about other AI platforms that focus on stock trading?
Another one that stands out is TrendSpider.
TrendSpider.
Yeah, and their focus is on automating technical analysis using AI-driven charting tools.
Okay, now for those of us who maybe aren't as familiar with that, what is technical analysis?
Yeah, so basically technical analysis involves studying past price movements and trading volumes to predict future price action.
Okay, so it's all about looking at the charts in the past
Exactly.
to try to figure out what might happen in the future.
Right.
Got it.
So TrendSpider uses AI to automate this often complex process
Okay.
by automatically identifying trends, setting up dynamic price alerts based on those trends, and performing analysis across multiple timeframes simultaneously, 6, 9,
Okay.
really aims to simplify what can be a very intricate area of trading.
Yeah, I can imagine that technical analysis can get
Oh, yeah.
really complicated really fast.
It can be very daunting.
Yeah. So simplifying that complex analysis,
Yeah.
that's a huge win
Absolutely.
for a lot of people.
Yeah.
All right, what's next?
So Stock Hero takes a bit of a different approach.
Right.
They empower you to create your own custom AI trading bots that can operate across various stock exchanges.
That's interesting.
Yeah, so backtesting and strategy optimization are essential features here. 6, 9, allowing you to refine your bot's approach.
So you can really tailor it to your specific
Exactly.
needs and risk tolerance and all that.
Exactly. And what's really unique about them is they have a marketplace where users can rent or lease their AI trading bots to others.
So you could benefit from someone else's AI trading expertise.
Precisely.
Wow, that's an interesting model.
Yeah.
Okay, I also remember seeing Equibot mentioned in some of our research. What makes them different?
Yeah, so Equibot is pretty innovative. They've integrated AI with IBM's Watson
Oh, wow.
to analyze vast amounts of financial data and news articles to
Okay.
identify potential investment opportunities.
So it's not just looking at the numbers, it's also looking at like sentiment and...
Exactly. Yeah,
Yeah.
they're really trying to get a holistic picture of
Yes.
what's going on.
Got it.
And they're also the engine behind the AI-powered equity ETF, which has the ticker symbol AIEQ68.
Right.
And their AI can rapidly analyze millions of news stories and social media posts in real time to inform their investment decisions.
8.
That is a lot of information.
It is. So here, AI specifically, natural language processing,
Right.
is being used to understand the sentiment and potential impact of news.
Yeah,
Something that would take a huge team of analysts to do manually.
yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Wow.
So it's pretty
It's
remarkable.
like having a whole research department working for you
Exactly.
24/7.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then we have Tickeron,
Ticker on.
which provides AI-driven tools for things like identifying chart patterns and making predictive analytics.
Their AI robots continuously scan thousands of stocks and ETFs every minute, looking for potential trades that align with predefined profit targets and stop-loss levels 6, 7,
So it's constantly looking for those opportunities.
constantly. Yeah.
Okay.
And they're also known for having a very user-friendly interface. 8.
Which is important.
Very important. Yeah.
All right, what about Kavout,
Yes. Kavout's key offering is their K-score,
the key score?
which is an AI-driven indicator designed to reflect a stock's investment potential.
Okay.
They aim to blend sophisticated quantitative analysis with insights that are presented in an understandable way.
Okay.
It's all about using data to generate a score that integrates various technical indicators.
So it's not just about like a fire hose of data. It's about giving you an assessment of stocks.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, giving you something digestible.
Right.
Yeah. And finally, in the realm of stock trading platforms, we have AlgoTrader.
Okay.
And they position themselves as a very comprehensive platform that supports not only stocks, but also cryptocurrencies, which we'll discuss shortly. And they allow for the integration of machine learning algorithms with historical market data,
Okay.
enabling the full automation of your trading strategies.
So it's got it all.
Yeah, pretty much.
All right. So it's a diverse set of tools for AI-powered stock trading.
It is.
But now let's turn our attention to the crypto space.
Okay.
Who are some of the leaders in AI-powered crypto trading platforms?
All right, so when it comes to leveraging AI and cryptocurrency, trading 3 commas is a really well-known name.
3 commas, okay.
Yeah, they're widely considered a leading platform with a reputation for a user-friendly interface
Okay.
and a broad range of automated trading options, 3, 5.
So ease of use is really important, especially in the world of crypto, which can get pretty complicated
Oh, absolutely, yeah.
pretty quickly.
Yeah, so they provide tools for managing your crypto portfolio, developing and back-testing your trading strategies, and executing trades across numerous cryptocurrency exchanges.
It's kind of a one-stop shop for that.
Yeah, pretty much.
What about other platforms?
Yeah, so Cryptohopper is another top contender in the AI crypto trading arena, 3, 5.
Cryptohopper?
Okay. Yeah, and one of the unique things they offer is a marketplace where users can buy and sell trading strategies developed by others.
Wow, so you could buy someone else's bot, essentially.
Exactly.
Wow.
Yeah, it's really interesting.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, and they provide advanced backtesting capabilities and utilize machine learning algorithms that can adapt to the highly dynamic nature of the cryptocurrency market, 3.
Which is important because it moves fast.
Very fast.
Yeah.
And like 3 commas, they support trading on multiple exchanges.
So you're not limited to just one.
Right.
Okay.
And then there's Pionex, which distinguishes itself by offering a range of built-in trading bots at no additional cost, 3, 5.
Oh, so you don't have to pay extra for the bots.
Exactly.
Right.
So it functions as both a cryptocurrency exchange and a provider of automated trading tools.
Okay, so it's all in one.
All in one.
That's convenient.
Very convenient, yeah. Especially for beginners or people looking for a simple solution.
All right.
Yeah.
What about Trade Santa?
Yeah, so Trade Santa focuses on providing tools for both long and short trading strategies in the crypto market.
Okay.
They offer backtesting features and trailing stop-loss mechanisms, 3, and they're often mentioned as one of the top platforms for accessing crypto signal trading bots,
Okay.
which can help you identify potential entry and exit points based on predefined market signals, 5.
So it helps you react to the market
Exactly.
based on those specific indicators.
Right.
Yeah.
Got it.
And then there's Bitsgap,
Bitsgap. Okay.
which is another versatile platform offering a strong set of advanced tools and a variety of trading bots specifically designed for the cryptocurrency markets 3, 5.
Okay.
And they're particularly well integrated with Binance,
Okay.
which is one of the largest and most popular cryptocurrency exchanges globally.
So that's a good thing to have that integration.
Yeah, it makes things much smoother.
Yeah, for sure. Any other platforms we should mention?
Yeah, one more that's worth highlighting is Shrimpy.
Which focuses more on the aspect of cryptocurrency portfolio management and automated rebalancing.
Cool.
They offer algorithmic strategies that aim to optimize your crypto holdings
Okay.
and automatically adjust your portfolio allocation based on your chosen strategy.
So it'll like rebalance for you automatically.
It's
based on your
risk tolerance and your
Yeah.
investment goals.
Okay, that sounds really useful.
Yeah, very useful for taking the emotion out of it and just kind of staying on track.
Right, and especially in a market like crypto where things can move so quickly.
Exactly.
And you don't want to be chasing the market all the time.
Right.
Yeah. Okay, so we've talked about a lot of different platforms there.
Yeah.
What are some of the advantages of using AI for crypto trading specifically?
Yeah, well, I mean, just think about the inherent speed and volatility of the cryptocurrency market.
Yeah, it's crazy.
AI's capacity for rapid data analysis is absolutely critical for making timely decisions, too.
Because you have to act fast.
You have to act fast.
You can't wait around for,
Well,
hours or even minutes sometimes.
Exactly. These markets can move incredibly fast, and AI algorithms can react in milliseconds, identifying fleeting opportunities or potential risks that a human trader might simply miss due to processing time.
Right, we're just not fast enough.
Tough. Not fast enough.
Okay.
And we've already touched on the 24/7 operation,
Right.
which is, essential given that the crypto market never sleeps.
It never sleeps.
It never sleeps.
So your bot can't sleep either.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And the elimination of emotional biases is arguably even more important in the cryptocurrency space.
Right, because you can get caught up in the hype.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
So much FOMO.
Yeah, exactly.
Fear of missing out.
Yeah.
So, prices can experience these huge swings based on market sentiment.
Yeah.
But AI just operates with complete rationality.
Right. It doesn't get emotional.
Doesn't get emotional. Doesn't care about the hype.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. And then, AI also excels at market trend prediction by analyzing these vast data sets to identify subtle patterns that could signal future price movements.
Okay.
So this ultimately leads to enhanced trading precision and crucially improved risk management through the sophisticated data analysis too.
So it's not just about, like you said, executing more trades. It's about
Smarter trade.
smarter trades.
Yeah.
And managing your risk
Exactly.
at the same time.
Yeah.
I remember seeing in one of the sources that we were looking at too, a table that directly compared manual versus AI crypto trading.
Yeah.
What were some of the key takeaways from that?
Yeah. The table provided a really clear contrast.
Okay.
In terms of speed, obviously AI operates at lightning speed compared to the significantly slower pace of manual trading.
Right.
The volume and complexity of data processing is vastly superior with AI. The influence of emotion is a major factor in manual trading,
Yep.
but completely absent with AI. Consistency in applying trading strategies can vary greatly among human traders, but is highly consistent with AI-driven systems.
Yeah.
And finally, the ability to adapt to rapidly changing market conditions is limited for manual traders, but is a core strength of sophisticated AI systems too.
Yeah, it can adapt so much quicker
Much quicker
than we can.
Yeah.
All right, so for those listeners who might be interested in investing in AI itself, like the companies that are developing these technologies rather than just using the trading platforms,
Right.
what are some of the options there?
Yeah, so if you're interested in investing in the companies that are developing these AI technologies, there are two main avenues to consider. One is investing in individual AI stocks.
Okay.
This can offer the potential for really big returns, but it's important to understand that it carries a higher level of risk and necessitates thorough research on those individual companies.
Okay.
One example is C3.ai with the stock ticker AI4. And we also saw that GitLab ticker symbol GTLB has been identified by several analysts as a really promising AI stock pick for 2025-12.
Okay, so individual stocks, higher risk, higher reward.
Exactly.
What's the other option?
The other option is investing in AI-focused exchange-traded funds, or ETFs.
Okay.
And these are investment funds that hold a basket of stocks in companies involved in artificial intelligence and related fields.
Got it.
So this provides a more diversified approach compared to selecting individual stocks, potentially mitigating some of the inherent risk.
Sure.
These ETFs often track specific indexes, such as the IndexX Global Robotics and Artificial Intelligence Thematic Index, or the NASDAQ CTA Artificial Intelligence Robotics Index 1.
And so those indexes include a whole range of different companies.
Yeah, a basket of companies involved in different aspects of AI development and application.
So you're not putting all your eggs in one basket, so to speak.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Diversification is key.
Yeah, that's a well-known piece of investment advice.
Absolutely.
Now, what was that advice we saw about how much of your portfolio should be in individual stocks?
Yeah, so a common piece of advice from investment professionals is to consider limiting your investment in any single individual stock to around 5% or at most 10% of your overall portfolio.
5 to 10%.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then the remainder should ideally be allocated to more diversified investments like broad market index funds, or in this case, sector-specific ETFs.
Right. So don't get too concentrated in any one thing.
Spread the risk.
Spread the risk. Okay.
Yeah.
So let's look ahead a little bit. What are some of the emerging trends that we're seeing in the realm of AI trading?
Yeah, so one trend that's really interesting is the rise of AI-focused cryptocurrency projects.
Okay.
So we're seeing the emergence of initiatives like the Artificial Superintelligence Alliance, or ASI, which is a collaborative effort centered around the development of ethical and beneficial artificial intelligence. 13.
So AI for good.
AI for good, exactly. Yeah. And then there's Fetch.ai with the ticker symbol SET.
FET.
All right. Which utilizes autonomous AI agents for various practical applications and has established some notable partnerships. 13.
Okay.
And then SingularityNet ticker AGIX is a decentralized marketplace for AI services, offering a wide range of AI capabilities. 13.
So it's like AI isn't just being used to trade crypto, it's becoming part of the crypto ecosystem.
Exactly. Yeah, it's a really fascinating development.
Yeah, that's a good point. Now, I've also heard the term Agentic AI being used in the context of trading. What does that refer to?
Yeah, that's a big one. Agentic AI is considered a very significant trend for 2025, with financial institutions like Bank of America and Macquarie highlighting its importance. 12.
Wow.
And it essentially refers to the development of autonomous AI systems that can not only analyze market data and identify potential trading opportunities, but also take independent actions based on that analysis.
So it can make the trades for you.
Exactly.
without you having to do anything.
Without human intervention.
Wow, that's pretty wild.
It is pretty wild.
So we're moving towards a future where AI can think and act independently
It seems so.
in the financial markets.
Yeah, it's a big shift.
That's a huge shift.
Yeah.
So for our listener who might be considering using these AI trading platforms, what are some practical tips they should keep in mind?
Yeah, so the absolute first step is to engage in backtesting 3.
Backtesting. Okay.
Almost all reputable AI trading platforms will provide the capability to test your chosen trading strategies using historical market data.
Right.
This is vital for gaining an understanding of how a particular AI or strategy might have performed under various market conditions in the past before you risk any real capital.
Right. Test it out before you
Exactly.
put your own money in.
Yeah.
What else?
Another key piece of advice is to implement robust risk management strategies 3.
Okay.
Even with the power of AI, it's essential to set stop-loss orders and carefully manage the size of your trading positions.
Right.
AI algorithms are not infallible.
Right. They're not perfect.
They're not perfect. And the market can always present unexpected situations.
Right.
So avoid putting a huge amount of your capital at risk in any single trade or on any one platform.
So don't go all in on one thing.
No, spread it out.
It's okay.
It's also wise to start by focusing on one platform to really familiarize yourself with its features and how it operates before trying to manage multiple platforms simultaneously.
Right. Start simple.
Yeah, master one tool before adding more to your arsenal.
Okay.
And, maintaining human oversight is crucial.
Okay. So you don't just want to set it and forget it.
Absolutely not.
You want to be keeping an eye on things.
Yeah, you need to regularly monitor the performance of your AI trading strategies, strive to understand the rationale behind its decisions,
Right.
and be prepared to intervene if market conditions shift significantly or if you observe unexpected behavior.
Okay.
An AI that performs well in one market environment might need adjustments in another.
Right. So you have to be adaptable.
Yeah. It's also good to regularly audit the performance of your AI strategies and don't hesitate to adjust its settings based on the results you're observing.
Okay.
The financial markets are dynamic,
Right.
and the parameters of your AI algorithms may need to be tweaked over time to maintain effectiveness.
Okay. So it's not just a one-time setup. It's an ongoing process.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Okay. And finally, prioritize security and choose platforms that integrate with well-established and reputable exchanges
Okay.
and that have positive user reviews 3.
Right.
Ensuring the safety of your funds and data is paramount.
Yeah. That's a really important point.
Absolutely.
And we talked earlier about how we also looked at some social media discussions for this episode.
Yeah.
What were some of the interesting things that came out of that?
Yeah, well, interestingly, on March 3rd, 2025, we saw a user who was very positive about an AI platform,
Okay.
stating that it was effectively leveling the playing field in both stock and crypto trading
Okay.
by providing access to cutting-edge AI-powered insights.
So it's democratizing access to these tools
It is-
that maybe weren't available to the average person before.
Exactly. And
Right.
this user specifically mentioned a platform called QCore,
QCore. Okay.
describing it as being similar to listed options
Okay.
and gaining a lot of traction within their community.
Interesting.
Yeah, so there's definitely a perception among some users that AI is democratizing access to these sophisticated trading tools that were previously the domain of large institutions.
Right. Only the big guys could afford to have these kinds of tools.
Right, exactly.
And now they're becoming available to everybody.
Yeah.
Okay.
We also came across another user highlighting an AI-powered tool that enables trading across more than 12 different blockchains simply by using natural language chat commands.
Wow. So you could just type in what you want to do
Exactly.
and it'll do it for you.
Yeah.
Wow.
Which really underscores the emerging trend of conversational AI in the investment space,
Yeah.
potentially making these powerful tools even more accessible and intuitive for a wider range of users.
That's crazy.
Yeah. It's really remarkable how quickly things are changing.
Yeah. It feels like the future of trading is really unfolding before our eyes.
It does.
So this has been a really insightful deep dive into the world of AI-powered trading platforms. And it's clear that 2025 is a really pivotal year for this whole area of finance
Absolutely.
and the core advantages that we've highlighted. The speed of processing information, the consistency of applying strategies without emotional interference, and the capacity for data-driven decision-making at a scale that just surpasses human capabilities are really game changers.
Yeah, they're really transformative.
Yeah, and we've talked about some of the leading platforms across both stock and cryptocurrency markets and the emerging trends, particularly in agentic AI and AI-native crypto projects, are incredibly exciting.
Yeah, it's a really exciting time to be following this space.
But as we've emphasized throughout this whole discussion, while AI offers significant potential benefits, it's not a foolproof solution.
Right.
Diligent research, robust risk management practices, and ongoing human oversight are still absolutely essential for anyone looking to use these tools effectively.
Couldn't agree more.
Yeah. So this leads us to a final thought for our listeners.
Okay.
As AI becomes increasingly autonomous in the financial world, how might this reshape not only your individual investment strategies, but also the broader financial landscape in the years to come?
That's the big question.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, what will be the optimal balance between the power of the sophisticated automation and your own critical thinking and intuition when making financial decisions?
Right.
Yeah, it's a fascinating question to consider as this technology continues to evolve.
It really is.
Yeah.
And on that note, we'll wrap up this deep dive.
Yeah, thanks for listening, everybody.
See you next time.
Thank you for listening to AI Convo Cast. Please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Thanks and hope to see you again next time.